Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to install the indicators that I have, Perfect Entry version 2 and confirmation entry. First of all, this is my username and let's see where you can find the indicators. If you open a chart, let's say the S&P 500 chart, you go to Trade Now. Then here you're going to, let's put it on the daily. Here you're going to FX indicators. You click this one, and here on invite only scripts you are going to see these indicators. If you don't see the indicators, please refresh the page, but if you have an invitation you are going to see both of them. So you click both of them, this one and this one, and you should see that they appear here on top of the page. Another indicator that I like very much is the divergence indicator. Okay, now let's close these indicators and strategies. First of all, let's look at the perfect entry indicator, and you're going to see how here he gave a sell signal. It was like a perfect sell entry here if you made this trade. I like very much to combine it with the divergence indicator, which is made by TradingView, and it is a free indicator, because you are going to see in the divergence here that the relative strength index is going lower while the price is going higher. What does this mean is that you see less buys, but the price is going up. Usually the price follows volume. So here we had the bear divergence and here a sell. So when you combine these indicators, let's say perfect entry with the divergence indicator, and also for another confirmation you also combine them with the confirmation entry, the confirmation entry waits for another candle, a candle or two, to give you the buy or the sell signal. So this is like a perfect setup here. You had the divergence, the bearish divergence, and the sell indications. Here you have a bullish divergence. You see that the relative strength index is going up while the price is going down. And here you have like perfect entry wants to catch an early trend and gives you at the beginning of the candle, gives you a buy signal. Confirmation entry needs another candles to give you that signal, but it also keeps the trend longer. So you can see that the first sell indication of the confirmation entry was here, while on the perfect entry indicator you have them here and also here. If you bought like with the perfect entry using the divergence as an information, then you could have exit here, then the upside potential was almost 25%. And also from here to here you had 31.79%. This is on the S&P 500. Also we can see a bearish divergence here followed by a sell signal here. So what we should expect is to go lower the S&P 500 right now. These are higher highs and the LL are lower lows, just to understand better the trend. So if you are in an uptrend, you can see higher highs and lower lows in a lower trend. Let's look at Bitcoin, and we go to FX indicators, invite only scripts, and you can see here that it gave the signal at the top of the bubble. So this is very important. because I don't know how many indicators give you this signal that early. So what does perfect entry do is trying to catch an early trend, a selling trend or a buying trend, tries to catch it early. The green area here means we are in an oversold area. So if you buy when exiting an oversold area and you receive the buy signal, you can see that it's followed by an uptrend. And if you sell after the red area, then usually it is followed by a downtrend. The red area is overbought, so the asset is right now overbought. Let's combine them also with the divergence indicator, which is a free indicator that I like very much. And you're going to see that here you had a bearish divergence and followed by a sell signal from the indicators. And here you have a bullish divergence, and here at 3,400 the bull run started. If you are into commodities, let's look at crude oil. And if we put the indicators here on the crude oil, we're going to see that here was a bullish divergence and also an exit from the green area, which is oversold, and the price went up, and the indicator kept the trend until from here until here, almost 12%. Also here you have bearish divergences, and you can see the sell signal. Usually when exiting the red areas, a sell-off will come, and after the green areas, bull run will start. Not all the time, but if you are into Forex, let's say, let's look at the Euro-USD pair. I've chosen 2 hours, for example, because here the market is more dynamic. And let's look at the effects. Put the indicators, and you're going to see how useful they are to catch a trend and follow the trend and keep it like that. If you are into stocks, let's look at Tesla, for example. We are on the 4-hour chart time frame. We don't have any divergence. No, we have one. So it's a bearish divergence in a overbought area, and the sell-off came, and we have here almost 23%. So it's useful when you combine all those three indicators. What is nice about these indicators is that they give the buy or sell signal at the beginning of the candle, not at the end of it. Many indicators give this signal at the end of the candle, and they are useless. You can also consider following my signals here on TradingView. We need also to make a disclaimer and risk warning. Trading and investing in the stock market and cryptocurrencies involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for every investor. The content covered in this video is not to be considered an investment advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video should be considered as a recommendation to buy or sell stocks, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, CFDs or commodities. Data and information provided is for educational and informational purposes only. Do your own research before investing. All trading strategies are used at your own risk. My best stocks and crypto picks are in the Patreon page in the link below. Feel free to leave me a message on this video with your TradingView username if you want a 7-day trial for the indicators that I use. I think they are some of the best in the market. So if they help you make nice profits, then you can consider buying them. It's a one-time payment and include lifetime access and unlimited updates. They work even with a free TradingView account. But if you want to have a paid account with all those TradingView benefits, then you get $30 back if you register using the referral link below. Also make sure to check my Udemy courses about trading the financial markets, how to set up a trading bot, how to buy and transfer Bitcoin, how to use technical analysis and 100x leverage, and also altcoin review and price analysis. The most secure Bitcoin exchanges that I use have links in the description below. That being said, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more huge upside potential stocks. I wish you many profitable trades.